If the new Outlook app on Windows is slow, not syncing, or showing old emails, the problem is usually a corrupted cache. In this video, I'll show you how to completely clear the cache for the new Outlook app, step by step. First, make sure the new Outlook app is fully closed. Close New Outlook. Right-click the taskbar. Open Task Manager. End any process named Outlook.exe or New Outlook. Now let's open the folder where the new Outlook stores its cache files. Press Windows plus R. Type. Press Enter. In this folder, the new Outlook saves temporary data, account cache files, and .dat files. Deleting them forces Outlook to download fresh data. Select all .dat files. Select all cache folders. Press Delete. Don't worry, this will not delete your emails. They're stored in the cloud. The new Outlook also creates local database files that you can safely remove. Now open the new Outlook app. Outlook will now rebuild everything, download your messages, calendar, and settings from the cloud. This fresh cache usually fixes, and that's how you completely clear the new Outlook cache on Windows. If this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with others.